Strasbourg, a French city on the Rhine River, is a captivating blend of history, culture, and European integration. Its UNESCO-listed Old Town showcases medieval charm, with landmarks like Strasbourg Cathedral and the Ponts Couverts. The city is a symbol of unity, hosting the European Parliament and fostering international collaboration. The enchanting Christmas markets, dating back centuries, make Strasbourg the capital of Christmas. Its diverse cuisine, influenced by both French and German flavors, delights visitors. Strasbourg's canals, half-timbered houses, and vibrant atmosphere create a unique allure, inviting exploration of its rich heritage and role in shaping the European narrative. Before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates and content. Let's get started on this journey together. Number 1. Petite France, nestled in Strasbourg, France, is a charming district known for its picturesque half-timbered houses and cobblestone streets. A canal runs through this historic area, adding to its allure. The vibrant colors of the buildings create a whimsical atmosphere, making it a favorite among visitors seeking a fairy tale-like experience. Petite France is also home to cozy cafes, boutiques, and Alsatian restaurants, offering a delightful blend of culture and cuisine. The area's medieval architecture and scenic beauty make it a captivating destination, attracting tourists eager to immerse themselves in the timeless charm of this enchanting corner of Strasbourg. 2. Strasbourg Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of Our Lady of Strasbourg, is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture in Strasbourg, France. Completed in 1439, its impressive spire once held the title of the world's tallest building. The cathedral boasts intricate carvings, including the famous astronomical clock. Its rose window and stunning facade showcase remarkable craftsmanship. The interior houses stunning stained glass windows and a captivating ambience. Strasbourg Cathedral stands as a symbol of the city's rich history and cultural heritage, drawing visitors with its architectural grandeur and religious significance, making it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 3. The Ponts Couverts, or covered bridges, in Strasbourg, compose a historic ensemble of 3 medieval bridges and 4 defensive towers dating back to the 13th century. Originally designed for military purposes, the bridges provided protection to the city. The name covered bridges refers to the roofs that once shielded soldiers from projectiles during conflicts. Overlooking the River, this architectural marvel adds a touch of medieval charm to Strasbourg's landscape. Today, the Ponts Couverts stand as iconic landmarks, blending history and aesthetics, attracting visitors who appreciate the fusion of strategic design and historical significance in this picturesque corner of Strasbourg. 4. Boat Tour. Embarking on a boat tour in Strasbourg offers a captivating journey through the city's enchanting waterways. Glide along the River, passing beneath charming bridges and alongside picturesque half-timbered houses in neighborhoods like Petite France. The tour provides a unique perspective of Strasbourg's UNESCO-listed Old Town, showcasing landmarks such as Strasbourg Cathedral and the Ponts Couverts. As the boat navigates the canals, knowledgeable guides share insights into the city's rich history and cultural heritage. The tranquil ambience and stunning architecture make the boat tour a memorable experience, allowing visitors to appreciate Strasbourg's beauty from a different vantage point. 5. Saint Pierre-le-Jeune Protestant Church is a significant religious and architectural gem. Its history dates back to the 7th century, with the current structure featuring a mix of Romanesque and Gothic elements. The church boasts remarkable stained glass windows, including works by the renowned artist Gustave Doré. The interior is adorned with intricate sculptures and a serene ambience, offering a tranquil space for reflection. Over the centuries, the church has witnessed various architectural transformations, reflecting the evolving styles of the times. Today, Saint Pierre-le-Jeune stands as a testament to Strasbourg's diverse cultural and religious heritage. 6. Strasbourg's Christmas markets, dating back to 1570, are among Europe's oldest and most enchanting. The city, known as the capital of Christmas, transforms into a winter wonderland with several markets scattered across its historic center. The Strasbourg Cathedral provides a majestic backdrop to the festivities. Visitors explore wooden stalls offering handcrafted ornaments, local delicacies, and festive decorations. The market's centerpiece is the Great Christmas Tree on Placeclaver. Illuminated streets, carolers, and the aroma of mulled wine create a magical atmosphere. Strasbourg's Christmas markets attract millions each year, embodying the spirit of joy and tradition during the holiday season. 7. Palace Rouen is a magnificent architectural complex with historical significance. Built in the 18th century, it served as the residence for the Prince-Bishops of Strasbourg. The palace comprises three main sections: the Old Rouen Palace, the New Rouen Palace, and the Rouen Palace Museum. The Old Rouen Palace showcases opulent interiors, while the New Rouen Palace features classical architecture. The Rouen Palace Museum houses impressive collections, including fine arts, decorative arts, and archaeological artifacts. Surrounded by gardens, Palace Rouen stands as a testament to Strasbourg's rich cultural heritage and serves as a prominent cultural venue. 8. Barrage Vauban is a historic dam and bridge constructed by military engineer Sébastien Le Prestre de Vauban in the 17th century. Serving both defensive and economic purposes, it aimed to control water levels and protect the city. The structure spans the River Ill and features three towers with gun ports, showcasing Vauban's strategic design. The panoramic terrace atop the barrage provides stunning views of Strasbourg's skyline and the surrounding area. Today, Barrage Vauban stands as a testament to military architecture, offering visitors a blend of historical significance and scenic beauty in the heart of Strasbourg. 9. The European Parliament stands as a symbol of European unity and democracy. Hosting sessions 12 times a year, it is one of the Parliament's official seats. The building's distinctive architecture reflects modernity and transparency. The hemicycle, where parliamentary sessions occur, accommodates members of the European Parliament from across the continent. Strasbourg's role as a parliamentary seat emphasizes the importance of fostering European collaboration. Despite debates surrounding its dual location with Brussels, the Strasbourg seat remains a key element in the European Parliament's commitment to promoting dialogue and cooperation among EU member states. 10. Maison Cammerzell, an iconic half-timbered house in Strasbourg, France, exudes medieval splendor and Renaissance grandeur. Dating back to the 15th century, its intricate carvings, bay windows, and a rooftop gallery showcase architectural finesse. Originally a merchant's residence, it now houses a renowned restaurant, offering gastronomic delights within a historic setting. The interior transports patrons to a bygone era with its ornate rooms and historical ambience. Maison Cammerzell stands as a living testament to Strasbourg's rich cultural tapestry, attracting visitors not only for its culinary offerings, but also for its captivating architecture that preserves the spirit of centuries past.